Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Corona Sunrise. All right, we're going to start off with a standard Corona beer, and we're going to drink this down just until the beer and the label are about even. All right, as you can see, I've got the beer down to about where the label is. Now it's time to add 1 ounce of tequila, whatever your favorite tequila happens to be. I'm using Jose Cuervo. Then you want roughly about 1 ounce of orange juice. Now this one is almost to taste. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of it. But you can certainly add 1 if it's a little much. You want to add 2 teaspoons of grenadine. And then you want to add a teaspoon of lime juice. By the way, I did use a funnel for this, just in case you're wondering. Then you want to take your thumb, put it on the top of the beer bottle, and turn it over 2-3 times. Make sure everything's mixed together. And that's pretty much it. That's a Corona Sunrise. Done. And by the way, it's a little unusual, but it's absolutely delicious. So try it out next time you're wondering what to do with a Corona.